Good morning everyone. I am Mr. Deepak Anand, Assistant Professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering at MERI College of Engineering and Technology. Today's lecture is on Inspection and Quality Control Techniques, a core topic that directly connects classroom theory with real industrial practice. Quality is the backbone of manufacturing industries, and understanding inspection and quality control is essential for every mechanical engineer. Whether you work in production, design, maintenance or management. Next one, agenda. The agenda of today's lecture includes an introduction to quality in manufacturing, the concept and need of inspection, the meaning and importance of quality control, various inspection and quality control techniques, tools used in industries, and finally a conclusion. By the end of this lecture, you should be able to clearly differentiate between inspection and quality control and understand their role in modern manufacturing systems. Next one, introduction. Quality in manufacturing refers to the ability of a product to satisfy the customer needs and expectations. It includes the dimensions such as performance, reliability, durability and safety. In earlier days, quality was checked only at the end of production, but modern industries focus on building quality into the process itself. High quality reduces cost, improves productivity and increases the customer trust. Next one, need for inspection and quality control. Inspection and quality control are required to ensure that products they meet specified standard and customer requirements. Inspection helps in detecting the defects, while quality control focuses on preventing the defects. Without these activities, industries face high rejection rates, increased rework, customer dissatisfaction, and financial losses. Therefore, the inspection and quality control are essential for the survival in competitive markets. Next one, meaning of the inspection. Inspection is defined as the process of measuring, examining, and testing one or more characteristics of a product and comparing the results with specified requirements. It helps in identifying the defective products and separating them from acceptable ones. Inspection ensures that only conforming products move to the next stage of production or reach the customer. Next one, meaning of the quality control. Quality control is a systematic approach that ensures the products are manufactured within specified limits. It focuses on controlling the process parameters so that variations are minimized. Quality control emphasizes prevention rather than detection and aims at maintaining consistency, uniformity, and reliability in production. Next one, objectives of inspection. The objectives of inspection include ensuring conformity to specifications, minimizing scrap and rework, maintaining uniform quality, and improving the production efficiency. Inspection also provides feedback to production departments for corrective actions and the continuous improvement. Next one, importance of the inspection. Inspection plays a important role in improving product reliability and safety. It reduces rejection rates and ensures customer satisfaction. Inspection also helps organizations maintain their reputation and comply with industrial standards and regulations. Next one, types of the inspection. Inspection can be classified into incoming inspection, in-process inspection, and final inspection. Each type serves a specific purpose and together they ensure quality at every stage of manufacturing. Next one, incoming inspection. Incoming inspection involves the checking raw materials, components, and purchased parts before they are used in production. This prevents the defective materials from entering the manufacturing process and reduces downstream quality problems. Next one, in-process inspection. In-process inspection is carried out during manufacturing operations. It helps in early detection of defects and process deviations. This type of inspection reduces wastage and improves the process control. Next one, final inspection. Final inspection is conducted after the completion of manufacturing. It ensures that finished products meet all specifications before dispatch. It acts as the last quality gate before products reach customers. Next one, inspection techniques. Inspection techniques include visual inspection for surface defects, dimensional inspection for size and geometry, and functional inspection to check product performance. Selection of the right technique depends on the product complexity and quality requirements. Next one, dimensional inspection tools. Dimensional inspection tools such as vernier caliper, micrometer, dial gauge, and gauge blocks are widely used in industries. Accurate measurement depends on proper tool selection, handling, and calibration. Next one, introduction to the quality control. Quality control ensures that quality is planned, monitored, and maintained throughout production. It integrates inspection results, SQC methods, and corrective actions to improve the process performance. Next one, quality control techniques. Major quality control techniques include the SQC, control charts, and acceptance sampling. These techniques help in monitoring the process stability and ensuring the consistent output. Next one, SQC. SQC uses the tools to study process behavior. It helps in identifying the variations, analyzing trends, and improving the process capability. SQC plays a key role in modern quality management systems. Next one, control charts. Control charts are graphical tools used to monitor process performance over time. X bar and R charts are used for variables, while P and C charts are used for attributes. They help in detecting the assignable causes of variation. Next one, acceptance sampling. Acceptance sampling involves the inspecting a random sample from a production lot. Based on the sample results, the lot is either accepted or rejected. It reduces the inspection cost compared to 100% inspection. Next one, benefits of the quality control. Quality control leads to reduced scrap, lower production cost, improved productivity, and higher customer satisfaction. It also supports long-term organizational growth. Next one, quality in modern manufacturing. Modern manufacturing emphasizes customer focus, global competition, and zero defect philosophy. Quality is treated as a strategic advantage rather than a technical requirement. Next one, inspection versus quality control. Inspection is concerned with detecting defects after production, whereas quality control focuses on preventing the defects during the production. Both are complementary and essential for achieving the high quality. Next one, role of inspector. The inspector ensures the compliance with specifications, identifies the defects, and reports deviations. Inspectors plays an important role in maintaining the quality standards and supporting the continuous improvement. Next one, measuring standards. Measuring standards define acceptable limits and tolerances. International standards ensure uniformity and reliability in measurements across industries and countries. Next one, calibration of instruments. Calibration ensures that measuring instruments provide accurate and reliable results. Regular calibration improves confidence in inspection results and maintains the traceability. Next one, errors in the measurement. Measurement errors may arise due to systematic errors, random errors, or human mistakes. Understanding these errors helps engineers improve measurement accuracy and reliability. Next one, process variation. Process variation is unavoidable in manufacturing. Quality control aims to distinguish between natural variation and assignable causes to maintain the process stability. Process capability. Process capability indices such as CP and CPK measure how well a process meets specification limits. Higher capability indicates the better quality performance. Next one, Six Sigma concept. Six Sigma is a data-driven approach focused on reducing defects using the DMAIC methodology. It aims for near perfect quality and high customer satisfaction. Next one, TQM, Total Quality Management. Total Quality Management is an organization-wide approach that emphasizes customer satisfaction, employee involvement, and continuous improvement in all activities. Next one, Kaizen philosophy. Kaizen focuses on continuous small improvements involving all employees. It promotes a culture of quality and efficiency. Next one, ISO standards. ISO 9001 provides a framework for quality management systems. It emphasizes documentation, standardized procedures, and regular audits. Next one, quality assurance. Quality assurance includes the planned and systematic activities that ensure processes meet quality requirements and build the customer confidence. Next one, non-destructive testing. Non-destructive testing methods such as ultrasonic testing, radiography, and magnetic particle testing detect internal and surface defects without the damaging components. Next one, destructive testing. Destructive testing involves tests like tensile, impact, and hardness test to determine the material properties by causing the failure. Next one, root cause analysis. Root cause analysis tools like fishbone diagrams and 5-why analysis helps identify the fundamental causes of problems and prevent the recurrence. Next one, cost of quality. The cost of quality includes prevention, appraisal, and failure costs. Effective quality control reduces the total quality cost and improves the profitability. Next one, customer satisfaction. Customer satisfaction depends on meeting expectations, handling feedback effectively, and continuously improving the products and services. Next one, future trends in the quality control. Future trends includes automation, artificial intelligence in inspection, and smart manufacturing systems that improve the accuracy and efficiency. Next one, summary. Inspection ensures the conformance to specifications while the quality control ensures the consistency of processes. Both are essential and quality is everyone's responsibility. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions or doubts, please feel free to ask.